Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel for a new recipe. Today I'm sharing with you how to make the perfect fried chicken with crunchy and crispy outside and moist juicy meat on the inside. This crispy fried chicken is an easy and simple recipe prepared with a few basic and easily available ingredients that we all have in our cupboards. So let's start! In a large bowl, add 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of harissa or chili paste, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 3 tablespoons of natural yogurt, half a lemon juice, 2 eggs. It looks like I've used 3 eggs, but I've only used 2 because in one of the eggs I had a double yolk. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves, 190 ml of milk, and 1 kilo of chicken breast cut into thin strips. Sorry guys, at this point my camera cut off and I couldn't show you how I've cut the chicken strips. Mix well all the ingredients together until well combined. And finally, you are going to need 750 grams of original cornflakes. Then add the chicken strips and mix everything well. Cover and put in the fridge for 2 hours minimum, or for best result, leave overnight. Crush the cornflakes with your hands or use a rolling pin, but do not crush them too fine. Dip the chicken strips into the crushed cornflakes and place them in a large plate. Continue until you have used all the chicken strips. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Then start frying the chicken strips into hot oil and cook until a golden color. Make sure you do not overcook the chicken. Put the cooked chicken strips on a kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil until you have fried all the rest of the chicken. Then transfer all the fried chicken strips into an oven dish, cover with foil and cook them in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Do not overcook to avoid dry chicken. Et voila, our chicken strips are very crispy from the outside and soft and succulent from the inside. Do make it at home for your family and surprise them. What a better way to enjoy this delicious finger-licking good and restaurant-style fried chicken at the comfort of your home. If you ever wanted to make your own fried chicken, is now the time to try. Please do try it and let me know in the comment below how it turned out for you. Bon appétit! If you liked the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.